Hello everybody, today I'm here to show you what I was loving for the month of January. This is kind of gonna be a little bit more than January though, because I didn't do a November favorites. I skipped December because I did a yearly favorites, and now we're covering January. So this is my first monthly favorite in quite some time. I don't have a whole lot of stuff, I've just got a few things to talk about. The first thing I want to mention is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, which is right here. I got this for Christmas, and I just absolutely love this palette. It is so gorgeous. Here it is right here. I like to use, let's see, So Bougie as like a all over like a transition color. I like to use Cocoa Truffle in my crease. They're both matte colors, matte browns. I really like using Rich Girl all over my lid sometimes. Live in Lavish, which is a really nice purple color, goes well in the crease. Holla for a dollar also goes well in the crease. That's a green color. Love and Cocoa is a really pretty dark brown color. And then Decadent, which is the matte black. I like using that as a eyeliner. So I used it like on my top lash line today. I just really like this palette. I know you guys have probably already seen it many times, but it is such a pretty palette. It's got such gorgeous colors. I haven't touched this green. I doubt that I will, let's be honest. And this pink, as much as I do want to dip into it, I just haven't done it yet. I just haven't had the look for it. But I think every color except for those two, I have touched. So, and I really like it. It's a good palette. They blend well. One thing I will mention, they're not the most pigmented on your brush. At least like with Rich Girl, which is this color right here, that one's not super easy to apply like all over the lid with a brush. So I end up just dipping my finger into a lot of them. If I'm putting them all over my lid, I just end up using my finger. That works really well. The next makeup thing I want to mention is this like nice little set by Cover FX. I'm not actually sure if they sell this set anymore, but I'm pretty sure most of these shades they sell individually. This was my first time trying out any of the Cover FX custom enhance. I'm trying to make it so much more than it is. Custom enhancer drops. There we go. This is the first time I've been trying them, and when I saw that they were doing like this little set, I was like, I totally have to pick this up. It would give me a chance to try like a bunch of different ones. So the colors, so it says 4 best-selling shades of this cult favorite liquid highlighter. So there's this one, which was very iridescent, very white iridescent. This one is called Halo. I really like this, but it's definitely not quite everyday, unless you're really going all out with your makeup, but lately I've been kind of lazy with my makeup. And then, let's see, this one is more, if I could get it out, this one is more of a pink shade, and it is Celestial. This is also a really pretty color. They're all really pretty. I don't know why I keep saying that. I like this. I like a pink highlighter. I do like pinks. That's probably my second favorite. And then this one, which is definitely my favorite, is Moonlight, which is a really pretty golden champagne color. I'm wearing it today. It's just like your typical highlight color, which I really like. And then the last one is a little bit darker. I feel like this would go better in like the summer when I have some color, but right now I'm just so pale. It's just kind of dark for me. This one's called Rose Gold. Again, it's a really pretty color. I just think it would be better in the summer. And then all you have to do when you open them up, they're just tiny little droppers. I wish I had like a full-size one to compare it to. I just try to kind of get like all the excess off, and then I drip just a little bit out from the little dropper there. And I do maybe like 2 or 3 small drops of that right here and right here, and I just blend it in with my finger. It's easy because I don't have to get a brush, but at the same time, sometimes it's faster to just open up a palette with powder and dip your brush in it and just apply it really fast. But I've really been liking that. I've had that since, I don't know, like December. I bought it before Christmas. Another makeup item that I've really been liking is the Clarins Instant Light Lip Comfort Oil. I got this one in candy. I know I talked about it, like, I guess when I got it, like in the haul, but I really have been liking this. I'm wearing it today. It goes on clear, but it kind of warms up to your lips and enhances them, which is really nice. It doesn't add like a lot of color, but it just sort of deepens what's already there. And it smells like candy, because that's the one I got. I don't know how, like the green one, there's a mint one, and I feel like there might be a blue one too. I don't know how those would look on the lips, because this obviously makes my lips pinker. I don't know if this would make it green or blue or whatever, but I really like that one. There's a lot of other like normal like reds and yellow kind of colors that I'm sure would look really good. This one I know I've probably mentioned before, but I have been like really low maintenance with my makeup lately. I've just not been, I don't know, I've not been feeling very inspired. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in Natural Glow. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I've talked about this. If I haven't, I really like this blush. It's just really, really natural. I have this on today as well. And it smells amazing. It smells just like the bronzer. I love this stuff. I wish I had more of the shades, but every time I look in the store, like there aren't a whole lot of the shade colors like in store. I probably just need to order them online. This next item is a skincare product. This is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. I haven't noticed like a major difference with this, but I have very dry skin and my face has not been dry since I've been using this. I use this as a nighttime moisturizer, and I just kind of slather on a good pump or so of this on my face, and it does really good. I've also been really not doing a whole lot of skincare items, so considering my face doesn't look bad at all, I think speaks a lot for this. And it's a big bottle. Let me see how many ounces. 4.2 ounces, and this is gonna last me a really long time, and it wasn't expensive. Like, go buy this with a 20% off coupon at Ulta, and it's really not that expensive. I have two more things, but the last like beauty product that I'm gonna mention is bio oil, which if I wasn't pregnant I wouldn't be using it, but I have been putting this on my belly most nights. I alternate it with something else. It smells nice. It's not like my favorite scent or anything, but it does smell nice, and hopefully it helps. But I'm not gonna know like long term if it helps with scarring and stuff or stretch marks, but it does feel really nice on my skin. I just kind of like lather up with it at night, and I just go to bed, and it has kept my stomach and like that whole area or wherever I apply it, it's kept it from getting really dry, and it's been super cold here lately, so I know I can thank this little guy for it. And if you're gonna buy that, buy it on Amazon. It's way cheaper than anywhere else. I feel like I already talked about that in a different video. I think I talked about it in my announcement video, but just know, go buy it on Amazon. It's way cheaper. Okay, one last favorite, which I haven't mentioned this at all, and it's kind of weird that I haven't mentioned it, but there's a show that I've been really liking, and it's called Shameless. It airs on Showtime, but you can also get it on Netflix. I watch it on Netflix just because, I don't know, no commercials, and there probably aren't commercials on Showtime either, but like if you watch it on demand on Showtime. Anyways, I've really been liking that show. I'm getting there. I'm like almost halfway through season 7, and I think they just wrapped up season 8. So I'm getting there. I'm starting to catch up. But I don't know why I didn't mention that in my yearly favorites. I mean, I didn't finish it last year, so I guess it wasn't really a yearly favorite, but I've been working on it for many months. Yeah, it's not an children appropriate show. It's very inappropriate, but it's a very good show. Very shameless, as the name would suggest. That was everything. I will leave everything that I mentioned in today's video listed in the description box down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also hit the subscribe button. That means a lot to me. You can also follow me on Instagram at HairbyLizzyBug. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and until next time, bye. I was trying to do a hair bun today, and this is what I ended up with. This would be my good side, this would be my bad side. I'm tired. You know what time it is? It's time to eat a donut. That's what time it is.